guys, so in today's video I'm going to be reviewing a new hair care kit that I tried from Atulya. So I purchased the entire hair care kit, which consists of a shampoo, a conditioner, a hair oil and a hair mask. And all of these products contain neem and sage as their main ingredients. Now the reason why I purchased the entire kit is because I have a lot of dandruff problems. Summers ho, winters ho, koi bhi season ho, my hair just has dandruff like almost throughout the year. And neem is an ingredient that I love using on my skin because it has antibacterial, antifungal properties. And like winter mein jo dandruff hota hai, that's mainly because of dry scalp, but summers mein mujhe jo dandruff hota hai, that's because of fungal infections on my scalp. That's not something that you should be scared of. It's a very common thing and most people have it. It happens because of excessive oiliness or like excessive product buildup or excessive sweat. There are like plenty of reasons why this can happen, and that can cause dandruff. So neem is the best ingredient to deal with dandruff, especially if it's caused due to fungal infection. So that's the reason why I got this entire kit. Now let me just share my experience of using these products. It's actually the shampoo that's the star of the show, and in just one single wash with this shampoo I saw like more than half of my dandruff go away. And I use these products consistently for about 4 washes before I can like review these products for y'all. So the shampoo contains neem and sage, and along with that it's also got reetha, lemon peel and aloe vera, which all help to deal with dandruff issues. And when you have dandruff, it causes a lot of hair fall. It can also cause a lot of hair breakage, and due to dandruff like stuck on your scalp, your hair roots cannot really breathe as much, and that's why the hair growth is like almost stopped. But once you get rid of all of the dandruff, your hair can breathe again, and the hair fall is also stopped, the hair breakage is reduced, and basically it all helps to promote hair growth and faster hair growth. So that's why you can use an anti-dandruff shampoo like this. Now there are so many other anti-dandruff shampoos in the market, but they contain so many chemicals. But a brand like this, which contains natural ingredients, it's free from harmful toxins and chemicals like parabens, sulfate, silicone, color and PEG. It's got the goodness of plant derived ingredients, and that's why it's one of the best ways of dealing with dandruff. So if you have the problem of dandruff, you can use this shampoo, and with just one single wash you're gonna see a noticeable difference. I have used it for 4 washes until now, and my dandruff has gone up to like 80-85% to chala gaya. So that's the reason why I love this, and I highly recommend you use this if you have dandruff. It helps to cleanse the hair so well and makes my scalp feel so refreshing. You can follow up the shampoo with the same Atulya neem and sage conditioner. Now this contains ingredients like neem and sage along with rosemary oil, aloe vera and lemon peel. It's a nice and decent conditioner to use. It helps to hydrate the hair, makes the hair smooth and soft and frizz-free and more manageable. And again, it's free from harmful toxins and chemicals. Actually, all of these products are free from harmful toxins and chemicals. Next up, the kit contains a hair oil. This is Atulya neem and sage hair oil. And this hair oil, when you pair up with the shampoo, like if you oil your hair first and then wash your hair with the shampoo, it gives you more faster results. So this hair oil contains neem and sage along with sesame oil, olive oil and almond oil, which are all very nourishing ingredients for your scalp. So this not only helps to get rid of that dandruff from your scalp, it also helps to moisturize your scalp and your hair. It also helps to promote hair growth and faster hair growth. And this does not contain any mineral oil, any silicone or any synthetic fragrance. It's fragrance free. So the shampoo and conditioner combo I used 4 times, but I did not use this hair oil as much. I just used it twice, but I could see a noticeable difference every time that I used the hair oil and every time that I did not. Whenever I used the hair oil and then followed it up with the shampoo and conditioner, I could see that my hair would look even better and they would feel more smooth and soft than if I would not use the hair oil and just use the shampoo and conditioner. So using this hair oil before like shampooing your hair is a better way to not just get rid of dandruff, but to also make the texture of your hair more smooth and more soft. And the last product in this kit is a hair mask. This is Atulya neem and sage hair mask. So this hair mask contains almond oil, argan oil and lemon peel, and it's a very hydrating hair mask. So on the days when you feel like your hair is more damaged and it feels more dry, you can use a hair mask instead of a conditioner. And I did not really use this hair mask along with these products. This was actually the first product that I tried from the entire lot, and I use it along with another shampoo. But trust me, my hair became so much more voluminous after using it. My hair became so much more manageable, and they stayed frizz free for up to 3 days. So it's a very good and a very natural hair mask that you can use. It's free from silicone, and it's free from all of those harmful stuffs like paraben, mineral oil, color, sulfates. All of that it's free from, and it contains plant derived natural ingredients. Even the neem and sage that they've used in all of these products are like 100% natural. So that is how good these products are. So if you're looking for like natural hair care products, especially to deal with dandruff problems, then you should definitely try out this Atulya neem and sage hair kit. I'm really glad I purchased this, and the products worked so well for me, which is why I filmed this review for y'all. All these neem infused products really came to my rescue, especially for my dandruff issues. So if you have dandruff problems, do try out this kit. I'm gonna leave the links to purchase this in the description box below. The products work really well for me. In just one single wash, I could see more than 50% of my dandruff go away, and I've been using this kit for the past 3 weeks almost, and like 80% 90% of my dandruff has already gone. So I'm going to continue to use this kit until I have dandruff, and then I might just stop and just see if the dandruff comes back or not. If it does, then I'm gonna like continue using this kit even further. So yeah, that was my one-stop solution for dandruff issues, and that was my review on Atulya Neem and Sage hair care kit. If in case you try out these products, do let me know in the comments below how they work out for you. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.